How to avoid 10 biggest mistakes on starting an online business. Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 mistakes people make on starting an online business so that you can learn how to avoid them. Okay, this video is really for people who want to use your smartphone or laptop to start an online side hustle business. Plus, be able to travel the world using just your smartphone. You don't have to invest in a storefront on Main Street business where you have to work 60-70 hours a week and pay for employees and rent. Plus, mortgage your soul or house. Ouch. If you agree with me, then let's move on. I'm Russ Jones and I've been making a living on the internet for more than 20 years. I've bought dozens of courses on starting an online business and spent over $50,000 in attending seminars and buying courses and paid so-called internet gurus for their advice. I've seen the good, bad and ugly in this online business. So, I'm going to give you my advice on what not to do and what you should do. However, before I give you the top 10 biggest mistakes on starting an online business, I want to give you a bonus. 10 tips to 10x your affiliate marketing online business. 1. Be authentic. Show people that you are a real person that is honest. 2. Create valuable content. The internet is loaded with valuable content. Just search Google for any topic you want to learn and use. 3. Don't stop. You need to work at this daily. Donate at least 20 minutes to 2 hours a day doing your research. If you have a 9-to-5 job, then get up at 5 a.m. and do your work. 4. Promote the product as if it's your own. Find a product and learn everything you can about it. 5. Choose one channel and master it. Pick one channel like YouTube and master it. I have a whole course just on YouTube at www.socialmediagoldcourse. We have a 27-year-old kid making $60,000 a month using YouTube and TikTok. He promotes a monthly all-in-one software and service. Check it out at www.besthighlevel.com. 6. Build your affiliate business with the long term in mind. This is a business you will have for life. 7. Disclose affiliation. Make sure you tell people if you buy this product or service you might receive a commission. 8. Share your transformation story. Tell people your story and your successes and failures. 9. Promote recurring commission products. Find products and services you can get monthly commissions. 10. Clear call to actions. Make sure you ask people to sign up or to learn more. Click here. A really important point is number 9. You see, there are a few different types of affiliates. Commissions, and if you want to take your business to the next level, promote recurring commission products can help you do just that. Recurring commission products are my favorite. You do the work once and you generate sales and continue to earn revenue for months and sometimes for years. Here's the top 10 mistakes people make and what you should do to start an online business using your smartphone or laptop. Plus, build a sizable monthly residual income. 1. You want to study and research a company or product that you can be an affiliate with at least 40% commissions. 2. You want an evergreen product or service that you get the same commissions monthly. 2. Thus, you are not start the month out with no sales and no commission. 3. You want to promote a product or service where you make at least $100 a month in residual income. 4. Stay away from products or service where you only make $10, $20. 4. You can't afford to advertise. 5. You need a product or service that pays you like $1,000 over 12 months. 5. Thus, you can afford to spend $100, $200 to get a client. 6. Even better yet, if you learn how to get free traffic or paid traffic to your sales funnel, the better. 6. Check out my social media gold course at www.socialmediagoldcourse.com. 7. You need to become knowledgeable in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and how to get free traffic. 8. You can also check out ClickBank that offers many affiliate products. 8. All you do is promote a product. 8. You don't have to worry about customer service or fulfillment. 9. Check out software companies that sell to local business. 9. Many millionaires have been made who sell monthly subscriptions or licenses on a monthly basis. 10. I found a few months ago a software company that meets all the above good about building a large monthly income that can make you $3,500 a month or more. 10. Check out High Level or visit my website at www.besthighlevel.com. It's an all-in-one software and service. Over 525,000 business and 15,000 agencies use it. You can charge businesses $97 to $497 per month and you can white label the software and keep 100% of the monthly fee. Or you can get 40% as an affiliate and high level will handle the service. I recommend the affiliate way until you learn the software. Then train a VA at $4, $5 per hour to run the service work and run the prospecting via social med, power dialing, texting. High Level has spent millions of dollars building the software and service for your business clients. You can sign up for $97 a month and use the software for yourself. It's amazing you can sign up at $297 a month and build your own software business and keep all the monthly money. You can also buy in at $497 a month and you can white level it and put your name on the software, make your changes and it becomes your software business. Some of the top internet gurus do the white label and add their information to the software. Here's several software success stories. How a 24-year-old makes $75,000 per month from home. He sells the software to special doctors for $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Dominic Baptist, who is 27, makes $60,000 per month selling to business owners. He is now the #1 affiliate in just 6 months. Jason Warthrop, big on YouTube, has sold 15,000 real estate agents his software in the past. For a 14-day trial of High Level, go to www.besthighlevel.com. Also, if you want to become an expert on social media and charge business owners thousands of dollars monthly, go to www.socialmediagoldcourse.com.